Hey folks, Larry D, thanks and more. Got an unboxing. And I know exactly what this is. This is from Arthur Wayne's Hot Sauce. Yeah, we're going to be doing another video tonight too. Let's see. This should be what I seen on Hot Sauce Junkie Tim's channel. And I believe Catfish Redneck may have actually mentioned these as well. So, ooh, cool. Never out of hot sauce. Oh yeah. And what is this? Oh, a couple business cards. Same thing. Ooh, ah, ooh. Alright, let's see what we got. Yeah. Whoa. Wrapped up nicely. Yeah, a ton of bubble wrap. Oh, goody. Let's see. What's that? Let's see. We'll go one by one. I bought 3 of them. And wow, they did a darn good job packing. Kudos for that. Let's see. First winner is. Actually, I don't even remember what I bought except for one. Oh, Haba Haba Dime Sauce. Yeah, this is going to be a good one. Because these are hot, but my understanding they're not extremely hot. We'll find out later. We'll find out later on if I can cut the plastic. Yeah. Like I said, they pack these well. Yeah. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Dang. And this is Spicy Mama. Nice. Yeah, got a little glare going on there. That's a little better. Yep. Let's see, and we got one more. And this would be the one that Tim, over there at Hot Sauce Junkie Tim's channel, he did a review on. Huckleberry Ghost. That glare off there. There we go. The interesting thing is, it was made with huckleberries, which I guess is similar to a raspberry or a blackberry. And I don't think I've ever had a huckleberry before, so this should be interesting. Show this. Dark color. Nice. This is going to be fun. These are really dark. This one here is a bright red. Now I've got some nice chunks in there. I don't know how well that's going to show on camera. Yeah, well, that's fine. But yep, alright, so prepare for a video. I'm not going to do all of them at once. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, people. Later.